Hey guys, welcome back to another video of the channel. Today we're going to replace the reverse light of a Jeep Gladiator, so stay tuned. So as you can see right now, these are the stock halogen reverse lights. We're gonna replace it with LEDs. So this gorgeous Jeep Gladiator, my friend, you can follow him on Instagram. That's my friend Juan Jose. Say hello.
Hello.
So for today's video, what we're gonna need is a 8mm ratchet. That's it. It's gonna be 2 screws. We're gonna pull up the light, and we're gonna replace the LED with a T10 LED bulb. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna start unscrewing. It's really easy steps, okay? If it's the first time you're gonna unscrew and take out the housing, it might be a hassle. So there you go. One screw out. We're gonna go for the second one. And that's it. So only 2 screws. So this is the stock halogen bulb. We're gonna replace it, like I said, with a T10 bulb that you can get in eBay, Amazon, or your local store. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna pull, and then right here you'll see we're gonna take the bulb out. You're gonna twist it clockwise, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna take it out. So that's how you replace the bulb. So let's install the new one. Alright guys, so like you saw, we took it out. And remember, what I recommend is to put a rag in there between the car and this, in order for you don't scratch it, and you can work nice and clean. Okay, so let's do it. Let's put the LED bulb and we'll show you how it turns on. Okay.